This is John Redmann. I'm here with Mr. James Bopp, lead counsel on the Citizens United case. He has very kindly agreed to an interview. Mr. Bopp, thank you again for this opportunity. We've just finished the forum, the discussion with Mr. Rob Weissman of Public Citizen, and we got to hear both sides of the issue. Just for the benefit of our viewers, why don't you explain, if you'd like to just tell our viewers, what is the impact of the Citizens United case? Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, the Citizens United case frees up corporations and labor unions to be able to speak out and give their point of view on who they think should be elected to public office. Of course, this is most important to advocacy groups that are formed to advocate for certain issues or public policy, governmental action, and ultimately candidates, and that's whichever side of the aisle they may be on, that is Sierra Club or Planned Parenthood or National Right to Life. This means that they have the same freedom that everyone has to speak out if they think they have a point of view that they would like to share. So that's what Citizens United does, is that it, said another way, there was a law, federal law, that discriminated against labor unions and corporations and said that they couldn't speak about who they thought ought to be elected for public office. The court said that the First Amendment does not permit discrimination between speakers. All speakers are equal, and under the First Amendment can speak out.
And if I understood what you were saying and explaining before, corporation under the Constitution and as Citizens United argued, is a speaker and has a right to speak and give its opinion politically as in any other arena.
Right. Corporations and labor unions are just collections of people. They come together for a specific purpose. They're for-profit for some business purpose. If they're not for-profit, to advocate for some particular public policy or provide charitable services, whatever the case may be. They have points of view. Collectively, they can express those views.
We are marking 2 years since the decision was handed down by the U.S. Supreme Court. Some of the critics say that since that decision resulted, great amounts of money have in fact gone into elections, judges' races, politicians' races, and some would argue even exponential amounts of money. The critics argue that that allows for corporations oftentimes having far greater amounts of wealth to have an advantage in influencing elections, whether it's on the left side or the right side, the conservative side versus the liberal side. How do you respond to those critics?
Well, when they say that they think that more money is being spent on an election, I think that's probably true, and I think that's a good thing. Most people can't even give the name of their congressman, much less the political party affiliation or what the congressman actually believes or is advocating for or supporting in Congress. Majority of the people can't even name the Vice President of the United States. That just indicates to me that we're not spending enough money on elections. We're not informing the people enough. And if more money is being spent, then that would be a good thing because it will provide more information to more people so they can make informed choices. The other part of it is that this frees up not just corporations, even though people, particularly on the left or the liberals or Democrats, want to talk about corporations. It also frees up labor unions to speak out. And so we have people on